Sophie. Ligo na, ligo na. Ano, wala pa nga sila eh.
I don't even have my floaty on me.
Marami naman kayo yan, May.
Hindi. Ah! Ano pa yun, May? Kapayay, May! It hurts. Some kids are in the swim or in
100. 150.
how much?
Yung ano, yung isa, yung medyo mas maganda to, 200. Manipis lang kasi yung ano, yung 150 manipis lang.
Halika na. Pwede ka lang sumama, lang nalapit na.
You want me to what?
Taho, taho.